Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Thursday, January 27th. Let's see what's on our Number Corner calendar. Wow, we have 27 is equal to 7 plus something. What we can do is think of it this way. 27 is equal to 7 plus something. You can put in the numbers we do know. We know 27 is our big number. We know 7 is one of our smaller numbers. And then we know we have a missing number. What I'd like you to do, All-Stars, I'd like you to think of a story problem that you could write to explain this, where we have 27 is equal to 7 plus something. You'll have time during the remainder of the Number Corner video after you watched it to write that story problem. Here's what I want you to see. If we have 27 is equal to 7 plus something, what we can do is think of, wow, if I have 27 and I jump back 7 spaces, it'll tell me what this other number is. So really what I am saying is it could be 27 minus 7 could give us the answer to that missing number. I would like you, All-Stars, to do that. I'd like you, once we watch this Number Corner video, you're going to create a story problem for this number tree. I'd like you to take a moment now to figure out what that missing number could be. You can pause the video. All right, now that you've come up with that, what number did you get? I hope you were thinking the number 20, because 27 is equal to 7 plus 20. Again, you can create a number line, jump back on that number line. You can count back on your fingers. You can count back using a number rack. But counting back from the number 27, 7 spots would give you that answer. As we continue, we're going to now go into our days in school. Wow, it's really growing. We're adding another day. And when we add this other day, we are now at, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 days together. Incredible. Let's change it here. Can you write a math fact now that would equal 89? What two numbers can you add or subtract that would give you the answer? 89. 89. So we now have 89 is 8 groups of 10s and 9 ones. The math fact we have for it is 70 plus 10 plus 9 equals 89. We'll go to our coins now. Spin the spinner. Let's see what we'll get this day. Oh, it's different this day. Okay, we have some pennies this time. If you look at this, it landed on 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies. So we'll add 4 pennies to our collection. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, okay. Don't forget, tomorrow is Friday and we will count all of the money we've collected this week. What I'd like to take a moment to do now with you is this. I'd like you to review this activity where we are actually counting the frames. This is 5 plus 5. We have 5 on the top, 5 on the bottom, which is 5 plus 5 is 10. Oh, very good. In this one, we have 4 on the bottom, 5 on the top. What is 1 less than 10? Because we're just missing one number out of there. What's the number that comes before 10? Very good. 9. Let's try this one. We have 8 here, so this is a double. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then we have 1 less than that. 4 plus 3. So what is 1 less than 8? So this is 8. The number less than 8 is 7. Good job. We'll put these numbers up here just to remind you what we've talked about. 5 plus 5 is 10. And then 5 plus 4 is 9. Then we have this, 3 plus 3. What is 3 plus 3? 3 plus 3 is 6. So this one, it's 1 less than that. So we have 3 plus 2, which is 5. This one is 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. And then 2 plus 1 is 1 less than that, which is 3. Hope you're seeing how these doubles, plus and minus 1, really are things that we use quite a bit. What I'd like you to do, All Stars, is can you start counting from the number 90 and count all the way to the number 110? Then, once you make it to 110, I'd like you to count backwards from 110 to the number 90. Off you go.